I want to take better care of myself so that I can. What would that be for you?
Live my life to the fullest.
Live my life to the fullest so that I can see my son grow up, so that I can make a meaningful contribution, so that I can stay connected to my husband, so that I can age pain-free, so that I can accomplish all the goals that I have set for myself, so that I can remain healthy and disease-free, so that I can one day be a healthy mother, so that I can
teach and help other family members or friends.
Teach and help other family members and friends. We've got a room full of compelling whys. When you've got one that goes deep, it gives you staying power. And the reason why we need so much staying power is because we know that there's a lot of pressure out there to steer us in the wrong direction, so that we lose the focus of why it is so important to take care of self. Up here on this flip chart, I've actually taken the liberty to write one word: consequences. Because we need to get real.